Okay, so types of lines we have. So we have your standard y equals x, goes through just like that. Y equals x squared, you know that one to be a U shape. Explore also if you have minus x squared, what that will be. X cubed, we know will go in this fashion. X to the 4, so if you notice anything, I'm going to try and make it look a bit different to this one, but just the same, but a bit tighter. Okay, 1 over x, we need to remember that. Now this is one that is asymptotic to here. Okay, so that means it gets ever closer without touching. And this one's very similar, however, notice the difference. On this side, it's exactly the same, but we don't have negatives because it's squared. So on this one, it's going to go up like that. Okay, now, more interested in this section, you're going to be working on circles. Now, let's take a look at this setup. So, where does the equation come from? Now, we've got a general circle, centre, so we put here, so we have the centre is AB. Let's say it's got a radius of R, and a general point, xy. Now, trying to piece these together, we're going to use Pythagoras. Okay, so right angle triangle. Now if we look at this side here, now the height of that is going to be, well, the top there is y and the bottom is b, so the difference is y minus b. And the one here, you've got x at this distance here, and that centre there obviously is a, so you've got that being the distance. So how do the sides of these connect? Well, we'll have x minus a squared plus this one, y minus b squared equals that side squared, as you can see from Pythagoras. And now you have the general equation of a circle with centre A and radius R. Now do take note of this as well. This is, you understand how to do these questions, but this is what makes it more difficult, is to figure out what it is they're actually asking. Now, looking at this example here, what I'm going to start doing is completing the square. So here we go, I've got x minus half of this 1 squared, subtract this one here, I will halve the 4 squared, and we all subtract that 1 squared, okay, and we've still got minus 1 there. Now let's tidy up, keep these. Now, if we're essentially, we've got minus 5 on there, so you end up with equals 4. So let's turn that into the correct format. So we have a centre of, what will this be, 1 minus 2, and radius equals 2.